Now that we've gone over some of the background and looked at the theory of what Flash can do, and especially looked at some of the considerations you need to know about before starting your project, let's jump right into the Flash authoring environment and see what it can really do. So if we go down here, we can see that these are panels that can come and go as we need them. Click them again and they go away. In fact, if you double-click the title here, these can all go away. Your next option here is the stage background color. Now, when we publish this for a web page, for example, this will also tell the background color of the web page itself. So if we want this to be a nice purple here, we can change the entire background document to purple. But I like just to work with white, keep things nice and clean, ready to go. And we've got our windows there. If we want to get rid of those, all we have to do is come down to Manage Workspaces, find the one we want. Remember, you can't delete the default Flash ones, the built-in ones. So we can delete that. It just lets you know, hey, once you get rid of this, it's gone, you can't bring it back. Continue, okay. And we've freed up space here in our panel layout option menu here, and we can make more workspaces if we need to. The big four principles of graphic design, and they are contrast. Do important elements stand out? When a user comes to your web page, they're going to be looking for things like the navigation first, because odds are they've got a pretty good idea of what they're after. So they're going to be looking for site navigation first, so make sure it stands out from the rest of the content enough. Hopefully this has given you a really good overview of all the tools and techniques you will need when framing and planning your project before you head on to animating, designing, or possibly even coding your project. If there's one thing I can't stress enough about getting into working with Flash, it's that you need to take the time to learn the keyboard shortcuts as well as you can. They will save you time, effort, and a whole lot of frustration when working with Flash.